guys, so today we're going to be making some fresh pesto. Now ideally we should be using a mortar and a pestle to make this. You get the best in terms of flavor results from using a mortar and a pestle. However, I don't have that, so I'm going to use what I have on hand, which is a food processor. So let's get started with putting everything together. So firstly, we have about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves here that I picked from my garden. So I'm just going to add the basil leaves to the food processor. I said this is 2 cups, so this is washed. I washed the leaves. Alright, so now we're going to add in about 1/3 cup of pine nuts. And I'm going to pulse this in the meantime. Let me just scrape down the sides. Okay, so now I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of grated parmesan cheese, and I'm going to add in my salt, and I'm going to pulse this again. Add 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the olive oil slowly. Some black pepper.